you hear this noise as well, dear?
Yes, I hear it, honey. That noise is coming from the rocking chair of our good neighbor, Mr. Mammut.
Oh, are you serious?
I think he's sleep rocking again. That man has got to be so bored living alone like he is. You know, he doesn't have a lot of visitors as well, honey.
Let's take the kids and walk over for a holiday visit tomorrow.
He doesn't seem to like noise very much, though. One day, Mutlu got into his garden with his super Mutlu outfit, and, well, he got really worked up about it.
I see. But tomorrow is a holiday. Our neighbors are like our families as well.
Then we'll take Zuzu with us there as well. We'll go there all together. I think that's what's gonna be best.
But we can't take Minnie and Manny with us. Let's not scare the man to death. I can cook some pastries.
We'll also buy a box of baklava.
It'll be just like the old holidays.